Hey guys, so today we're gonna talk about how to install a WordPress theme. So just now I purchased some like regular WordPress theme from Envato Market. I think it's a pretty good theme and we'll just go through the full installation process and I hope it will be interesting, especially for new WordPress beginners. So here I am in a WordPress environment and I need to go to Appearance and then click Themes. So if you want to access some free theme, you can just type here and you can just search it and you will have access to all themes around it which are free to install and you can immediately activate your website. So this is really cool and you can use that. But if you got a custom theme, you will need to go to upload button. So we want to upload our theme. So here how it looks like. When I purchased my theme, I received this file, but you shouldn't upload exactly this file. You should unzip it and then you will have, in most of cases, you will have something like this. So from this file, so my theme is called Bimber. I should firstly upload Bimber zip file. Then I can install some demo content, play around with it. But if I want to customize my theme later, I need to install child theme. So why do you need a child theme if you want some customizations? Because if you customize your site and you do some updates, uh, they won't be deleted by parent theme update. So if you are planning to do a lot of customizations and make your site look as you want, you need to use child theme, because if you customize on a parent theme, all of updates will be deleted. So that's just an important notice from my experience. So let's just do it. Click upload theme. Then I will need to choose a file. And I will just go and choose it. After that, I'll just click install now. And theme should be installed. So here we see unpacking the package and you need to see this message, theme installed successfully. So after that, you can proceed and activate it. So it means this theme will be activated on your website. And then you will see different options depending on different themes. So I'll just do it here. So basically I did all required steps. Basically I needed to create a token to import all the demos files. So what are demos? So demos are basically is demo content which you import and you have all settings enabled. So it's actually really handy and you don't need to spend like hours or days to figure out all settings with your theme. So I would really recommend for any new WordPress users just to install demo content. So let's just do it. Import all, and I just want, like you see, I want this overview, so I will install it. And here it goes. So it will take a while. So after it was imported, I can see my demo content by going to my website. So it doesn't look as same as to what they displayed, but probably I will just need to play around with it. But this is basically a fresh new site where you can go and look around. Yeah, so this is how it works, guys. This is how you install, activate, and import demo to your WordPress theme. Thanks for watching.